Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Simplicia Namok. I live in Balilihan, Bohol, Philippines. I am 38 years old. I am happily married with children or 3 children, ages 15, 9, and 4. I have a work experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 7 months. I serve in the family consisting of 6 family members, including my mom, sir, and 4 children, 19, 18, 6, and 4. My main duty are I need to take good care of the children, preparing, cooking for their meals, sending school, washing clothes, ironing, and many more. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my family and sustain for them. And I want to secure my children's future. Mom, sir, please hire me because I am honest, loyal person, reliable, trustworthy, industrious, and hardworking person. I will promise I will do my duty and responsibility of your house. I am looking forward to meet you and your family. Thank you and God bless.